Be careful of the haunted house.
Finally, we are in Namasha.
That's the haunted house, like what I was saying.
To expect
So visible, like it's exactly like someone has walked from this place, and it's not a normal human. If you like, I was thinking it's a joke. I'm just going, guys. I don't want to film anymore. So fam, after the haunted house, like I didn't want to stay over there. Like somehow I wanted to get down from there. After seeing the footprint, like I was like very scared. I didn't want to stay over there. So I came back. Now like we are in the zoo. Okay, Namasha has got like Maputo has got the major zoo which is in Namasha. So I have come to the zoo. They have camel, they have snakes and lion, tigers, all those things. So it's my first time in the Namasha zoo. So I'm just getting in over there. As you can see, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of cars, all those things. So I'm just getting in from here. Okay, so let's go, let's start. So fam, we come from there. This is the place. This is the place where they have all the animals, everything. This place is like MHM Farms. So fam, this is the first cage that we have over here. This is a small parrot type. After that, this is the second cave. Sorry, not cave, it's cage. Whoa, this looks amazing. So fam, over this place we have lot of parrots, we have cocktail. They have not mentioned the name over here, but this is cocktail. And this is some of the different type of parrot that we see. And after that, these all are the small parrots, everything. After that we have big parrots over here, this side. Not that visible, they are very far, it's not that visible. These big parrots that we have, African parrots. So fam, after walking some of the cages or the nets, I saw a parrot over here. Screams a lot and it's so beautiful. The color is so beautiful, it's so accurate, like the green color, all those things. It's very beautiful. So fam, after Paris, like what we see is a tiger over there, a sleeping tiger. So fam, after tiger, like we can see Sunish talking to parrot. It's a white parrot that we see over here. Sunish is taking photos, everything. It's very beautiful. The white parrot. Hi, hola, hola. Hola. So after that, when we came here, we saw this parrot, this bird. It's dancing, it's singing. Hello, hello, hola, hola, ¿cómo está?
Hello.
Hello, did you hear, guys? Hey, dance. Hey, that's good. That's very friendly. Her name is Mitu. I just kept the name Mitu. Hello. So fam, after talking parrot, what we have is King of the Jungle. There's King of the Jungle lion. Lion is sleeping over there. He's tired. So fam, after that, like, we have a parrot over here. So beautiful. Look at the colors. It's orange, blue, green, with long tails, different shades. So fam, after lion, tiger, parrot, all those things, like, we have come over here. Okay, this is camel. The camel's name is Al Otaha. we just created a name Al Otaha over here. Like, one of my friend, he was working, like, Sunish was working in Dubai, and he told, like, he has been with a lot of camels, all those things, and he gave a name Al Otaha. So Sunish, the credit goes to you because he gave the name Al Otaha. I just imitated. Yeah, he has kept the name Al Otaha. That's cool. After that, when I came here, I saw a snake. Long snake. So fam, like, it's been sleeping over here. It's not sleeping. So as you can see, like, long one, pretty long. The design, the color is like very good. It looks very amazing. It's pretty long. And let me see if I can get a close shot of his eyes, face, all those things. So fam, this is the Bengal tiger. They have bought it from Bengal. This is an Indian tiger. Look at this, how beautiful it is. The color, texture, so ferocious. So fam, this is the place. It's pretty decent, pretty cool place over here. An open farm. And as you can see, like, over here we have snakes. You see, I can let me show you some snakes. We have a snake over there, and the next one, yeah, it's a crocodile or alligator. I'm not pretty sure. It might be a crocodile or an alligator. Yes, there's the one. So fam, earlier when I was walking from here, they were sleeping, they were not active. Now you can see they are active and they are actively walking. If they get a chance, they'll come out. So as you can see, they are like actively walking, eagerly waiting for some prey to jump in. Yay! So fam, right after lion, I have zebras for you, the most calmest, most clean and the most beautiful animal. So fam, as I was walking around this place, okay, it's a beautiful farm over here. I was walking around the place. I got a chance to meet him. What's your name?
Mohammed Hanif.
Mohammed Hanif. So how long this place is there?
Okay, I bought this property, not myself, the guy who bought the property is
Yeah.
about 8 years ago, but we've been doing this project about 4 years.
4 years.
4 years. Yes.
So this project is there from 4 years. So where do you bring the animals from and how do you
We're
take care?
putting them everywhere in the world. Most of them they're coming from South Africa.
South Africa.
Most of them.
Okay. So do you breed over here like birds or
Yeah.
something?
Yes, I do breed.
Those things.
Look, I have got from smaller to large size. I got every kind of bird. Not most of them,
Yeah.
but I got plenty parrots also. Like a small, medium and large size also.
Okay.
Yes.
So like you have customers from Maputo or
Yeah, I do have customers from Maputo and everywhere in the world also. Not only here.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
they're coming here.
Yeah, that's cool. So I just wanted to ask you, and thanks for showing this property. It's awesome, wonderful. Like we came here for like few hours, but we spent the whole day over here.
Yes,
It was so amazing. Like we saw the camels over here, the tiger, lion. So once you spend time with these animals, like you don't know how much time it goes. So now it's evening 6 o'clock, and still we are like over here. So once again, thanks a lot. Okay.
No, it's a pleasure for me. You are most welcome, you and everyone, Actually, it is a pleasure. We're trying to make like a nature conservation here,
Okay.
Most of animals here is already endangered,
Okay.
So we're trying to breed very scarce species and to keep the species in the world, So we're still going to have the chalet, swimming pool, restaurant, sorry, and all these things.
Has this corona affected you?
No, really affected everywhere in the world, not only
Yeah, that's right.
affected everywhere.
Because the travel, all those people has been banned.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But
That's-
anyway, it's not only for me, for everyone.
Yeah, it's for everyone.
Yes,
That's what. Yeah. So thanks a lot. I just wanted to ask you that.
For me, you're most welcome,
Yeah,
please.
thanks a lot.
And anyone who like to come here, please beg help to us.
Yeah.
You can come, you're most welcome anytime.
Sure.
Alright?
So fam, this is in Namasha, okay, H&M farm, and I have come over here. The place is very beautiful. Like if you come over here, like you will spend the whole day. You will love this amazing place. Okay, and really thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want more content from Maputo, Mozambique or my travel, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Maputo Mallu signing off.